This is going to be a remake video of this 52-inch Harbor Breeze Armitage Hugger ceiling fan. For those of you who saw the original video, this was installed in the kitchen and it was shot with my Samsung Galaxy A11. But here we are in the new testing rig, like I said, with better lighting as promised. Still need some improvements, but I made an adjustment. So like I said, this is going to be a remake video. This is a 52-inch fan, 3-speed electrically reversible motor, integrated light kit, and it is a 5-blade fan in the brushed nickel finish. So if we zoom in here, well, you can't really see the logo from here. But anyways, we'll go ahead and give it a demo, starting with the light. And I am using a 60-watt equivalent LED ceiling fan light bulb in there. And now we will give it a demo, starting with low. Oh, and that noise that you guys hear in the background, that is the furnace running. There's the light. And here is medium. Here's the light. And here's high. Now high speed I'm not going to run for very long. And we're going to go ahead and watch the fan spin down. And while I'm going to wait for the fan to spin down, I'm going to give you guys a little bit more information. For those of you who saw my last ceiling fan video, shot here in the testing rig, that was the 42-inch Heritage Crusader ceiling fan that I bought off of eBay. And I did get better lighting in this video, as promised. So at the time this video is uploaded, please let me know how the lighting is, because as I always strive to make my videos better. And as you guys remember from the original video, this fan was installed in the kitchen and it was shot on my Samsung Galaxy A11, which I no longer have. This particular ceiling fan was purchased at Lowe's. It was manufactured in 2020, so it is 5 years old. I bought this fan brand new. And as for the camera getting blurry, I do apologize about that, guys. But it's still going to be a better video, nonetheless. And one thing I forgot to mention in this video is these blades are reversible from nutmeg, which is what you're currently seeing, to coca, which is what the blades reverse to. Well, there you have it. This has been a remake video of this 52-inch Harbor Breeze Armitage ceiling fan in brushed nickel finish. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.